Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Later I'm going to fry some fish. Now I'm going to make some sambal belacan to go with it. Okay? Long time haven't make it. So I have some big chili here. You choose how much you want to make. I usually will make more so that I can keep it the rest of in the fridge. Yeah. I'm going to mix it with some chili padi to give it some kick. And I have some calamansi here. Oh, sorry, this is not calamansi. Appa doesn't have calamansi today. I'm replacing it with lime. Yeah, lime. So I got some lime peels here. Okay. And then of course I have some lime juice. Of course, you can use either lime or calamansi. And to give the flavor, I have some fish sauce, some oil. Why I'm using oil is because I actually prefer my belacan to be creamy. So instead of watery, that's why I'm going to add oil. Then I have some, this is important, belacan powder. Yeah, toasted belacan powder, you can get it from many supermarket in Malaysia. We'll be putting in some sugar and also fine salt. All right, so first of all, get a chopper. I'm going to put in the chili, the red chili. If you have green chili, even better. Mix red and green for the color, yeah. And then this is the chili padi and also the lime peels. Of course, if you are using calamansi, then you use the calamansi peel. Then this is the lime juice. And I'm going to put in a bit of oil instead of water. So what oil will make it creamy, water will make it watery. You decide which type of belacan, sambal belacan you prefer. No right or wrong, okay? And I will add 1 teaspoon of toasted belacan powder. This is super convenient to use. Then we are going to give it some fine salt. Balance it with a little bit of fine sugar. And I'll give it some premium Vietnamese fish sauce. All right, now we close the lid. On the fire, on the power. Right, this is maybe 10-15 seconds. Oh, look at our sambal belacan. It's already done. So simple. Let me take it out. So here's my very simple version of sambal belacan. You can see some water here. All this liquid is actually coming from the big chili itself. So I hope, of course, partly from the lime. I hope you like my very simple sambal belacan video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.